In Spring 10, you can easily create sophisticated data models with multi-level master detail relationships. Consider the data model for a charity that conducts multiple events to collect many donations from different people. We want to aggregate the information up to summarize the total donations for an event, and then the total donations that were collected from all of the events for each charity. Then we want to report on that information and see that information trended over time. This app will be modeled in Force.com with a charity object that has a master detail relationship to an event object. The event object then has subsequent master detail relationship to the donations object. With the relationships defined, let's look at how you create these calculations which aggregate the data. Let's go to the charity object and edit this object, and we'll add a new custom field. The custom field that we want to add is a roll-up summary field that will aggregate data from anywhere that's defined in a master detail relationship. We need to describe the field by simply giving it a name, and then when we construct the field, we'll select that it will be a sum of all of the total donations that have been collected for the events. Let's save our field and return to look at what's happened in our app from the end user perspective. We see now that the charity has a summarized view of all of the donations that have been collected for each of the events for that charity. We can dive into an event and even add a new donation for one of the events, and once we save this, we see that the total has been incremented for the event, and then returning, we also see that it's incremented for that foundation. Reporting is a crucial aspect of sophisticated data modeling and application design. You see here, when I've enabled reporting on my objects that have master detail relationships, a report type is automatically created for me which chains my charity to the events which have donations. So that's a very quick demo of the sophisticated data modeling you can do in Force.com.